Thank you, Madam Speaker. I rise this morning on question 57 on 2015, which is addressed to the Honorable Minister for Local Government, Housing and Environment. My question is, can the Minister inform the House how many Fijians have benefited from the housing grant for first-time homeowners? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. Honourable Minister for Local Government, Housing and Environment.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I rise to respond to the question raised by the Honourable Member, and I wish to thank him for bringing this subject matter. Madam Speaker, one of the government's top priority is to increase the home ownership. And Madam Speaker, in 2014, a total of 186 Fijians took advantage through this grant program. Madam Speaker, as of 2015 till 18th March 2015, a total of 79 Fijians have benefited through the grant program. Madam Speaker, from the time of the implementation of this program till 18th March 2015, a total of 247 first-time homeowners have been assisted through this program at a total grant of $2 million. Madam Speaker, I've just finished with my team from the ministry on the roadshow in the Western Division. And I just want to inform this Honourable House that there is so much interest in regards to this program. And I would be able to inform this Honourable House by the end of here that how many Fijians have exactly benefited this program. Because the response that I'm getting from the people, they are very much in it. And I think this is the first time this initiative has been, of course, yes, by the Fiji First government. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. Supplementary questions,
I thank the Minister for visiting my area, the Western Division. While he was visiting, Madam Speaker, did he also see the homes destroyed in 2012 and they're still waiting for the promises from the from Fiji First to be repaired, Madam Speaker? He visited the Western Division, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
With me during the tea break, because that really does not fall under my ministry, but it has been noted and I will refer to the relevant ministry. Thank you.
Thank you. Honourable Mbulikabu. Honourable Mbulikabu, please.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I thank the Honourable Minister for his answers this morning. He has talked about 200 homes being 47 homes have been benefited by Fijians. Can the Honourable Minister give how many applications were made by the general public in Fiji for this scheme? And what are the criteria that were supposed to be met? And how many applications did not qualify because of those criteria?
Thank you. It seems that the question is statistical in nature. If you like, you can give a written answer, later on to the Honourable Member. I will now give the floor to the Honourable Karuaki.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I thank the Honourable Minister for his explanation. There is a system that they have now. He mentioned about the roadshow in the West. The question, Madam Speaker, is there a system where they receive applications from people over Fiji, for the Fijians all over Fiji, or if those people in the West, they are the only one who are aware of this scheme, and it means that only people of the West will people be applying for this, for these benefits.
Thank you.
Whether there is a scheme where, overall, the people over Fiji will benefit from this. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Madam Speaker.
It's time for answer, please. Can you allow the Minister to provide the answer?
Madam Speaker.
Yes, Honourable Member.
Sometimes I really wonder the type of question this opposition is bringing to this honorable house. This government is for all Fijians. Let me make it very clear. I have said that we have just finished the road show in the Western Division, full stop. The next road show will take place in Northern, right? Whereby we're going to inform the general public about this initiative. I'm not biased like you. This side and quota of that side is for all Fijians in this country, and I hope this is the last time I'm telling you people. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Nawaikula. Last oral question.
Madam Speaker, I asked this question on behalf of the rural villages. Included in this perhaps are our Indo-Fijian brothers who settle in the periphery of Indian, because most of the Indo-Fijians, they have their leases, so they have security of title. In the Fijian villages, how many applications have you received from these? And how are these addressed? And how do you monitor the application from Fijian villages for homeowners, first homeowners?
Thank you.
Not in towns.
Honorable Minister.
I don't have any issue in answering that. I can answer. Don't worry. What I'm saying is that that falls under the rural department. And can you listen? That's the problem with you. Madam Speaker, as I have said, that there is a policy in place. The ceiling is 50,000 for an individual or a couple. They can qualify, whether he or she lives in village, whether he or she lives in urban area or a rural area. That's the policy. And I will give detail, as you have stated, to this honorable house later in the day. Thank you.